Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Headphones on because I am so ready to start this video, so ready to start this setup and prep for after Valentine's Day girls get together that I am hosting in 2 days. So I will be taking you guys with me. I will show you what I will be doing with balloons, what I am repurposing for this girls get together, and I will show you a few new things that I bought from Amazon just to set up the setup for us girls and enjoy a good time. So let's go. First things first, I am leaving these balloons from last week that I've made out of Jamar balloons. I double stuffed this color palette and I am loving it. The only thing I will be removing are these palm leaves and maybe reinserting some of the baby's breath in different sections of the balloon garland. I'm not sure. If you haven't seen both of the videos, DIY for the leaves and DIY for this balloon setup, I will leave links for these two videos in the description under this video. Also, I have some tablecloths already ironed, washed and ironed and waiting for me to lay over the table. And right here, I have a whole bunch of stuff that I want to use for the setup. I will be repurposing these balloons at my front door. It's going to be a mini balloon garland and I'll just hang it so it's going to be cute and nice when the girls gonna come in. I have 2 boxes of goodies that I will be using to set up tables. So good right now, exactly what I wanted out of this setup. Hey you guys, day 2. I didn't do much except like cleaning and doing more organizing for the event, but today I am doing a very fun pickup. It's a pollinate flower centerpieces that I'm picking up right now. I am currently on their parking lot, so let's go pick them up. I'm excited to see how they're going to look. These pieces are so beautiful. Secured. I don't know how I'm gonna drive. I am extremely nervous, but 35 minutes of nerves. Let's go. Now another step that I need to make is I need to inflate my foiled hard balloons. I got them on Amazon. I got a rose gold, white, pink in a smaller size, and really big heart balloons. I believe they are 36 inch or something like that. Maybe I read wrong, but here's what I'm doing. I am going to Walmart to inflate these balloons. Why? Because the local rental place where I usually rent my helium tanks are not renting helium tanks anymore. So I am curious with the inflation that is happening, how much Walmart will charge me per balloon. I used to inflate a balloon for 25 cents. You guys, 25 cents. I think it's a steal. 25 cents. You just drive, drop them off and wait until they will inflate and attach a ribbon, and you come pick it up and you're good to go. Another reason why I wanted to inflate my foiled balloons today, because it's very warm today and it's very sunny and it's perfect for foiled balloons. When it's cold outside and you take out balloons with helium outside, the helium will shrink and balloons will lose the helium, and I don't know, it's not my thing. I'm always getting nervous whenever that happens because I am afraid that the helium won't bounce back. Usually it does, but anyways, taking this opportunity with the warm weather, going right now. I dropped off balloons at Walmart. The lady that is going to inflate the balloons told me that it's going to be about like a good 2 hours to inflate them. The angle is very awesome, but I just picked up my balloons from Walmart. I ended up paying 50 cents per smaller heart and 99 cents per big heart. Overall, I paid $15, a little bit over than $15 for all of the balloons. I feel like it's a really good deal if I would compare to every other store that inflates balloons with helium. Another thing that was very different when I was picking up my balloons, I don't know, maybe it depends on the person or the store changed its policies, but this time I got my balloons packaged or bagged in bags. That was very nice of them, because usually they give you strings, you know, curling ribbon, and you hold on to them and you go outside, balloons go crazy, flopping everywhere, and some balloons can untie and go places or rip off and fly away. This time, this lady packaged my balloons into bags, and it was so nice grabbing the bag with all the balloons and put them into the car, and you know that none of the balloons will fly away or wind will pick up one of them from the car. Actually happened to me, and it wasn't nice. But anyways, good job if she ever sees this video, or who knows. Awesome. Thank you so much for packaging my balloons. So it started to rain. Let's grab my balloons and just run inside. Okay, you guys, the only thing that she kind of told me right from the bat, that she doesn't have color matching, color matching ribbons. So the only ribbons that she had was black. So I obviously bought some curling ribbon that would match my balloons. So let me change the curling ribbon to match my color scheme. Two balloons, they kind of floating, they are very like pulling, but they are deflated. I think they had a hole, or seal was broken, or something like that. Not sure what happened. Here is my blank canvas where I want to attach my heart balloons, not the helium, but with the regular air foil balloons. I don't know how I will be doing this over here because it's all stone, and as we know, all the sticky stuff does not really work on stone, so I'll be improvising here. We'll figure something out, and I'll explain how I did it and what I used, and I hope it's gonna turn out. So let's try this out. First things first, I need to inflate my balloons. I am using my hand pump and this portable inflator. I will link it in the description under this video. So let's start with this first. On Amazon, I also got these latex heart balloons in pink color, just because, I don't know, I wanted everything to come quickly to my house, so that's why I got it from there. I forgot how stinky balloons from Amazon, from random brands of balloons, can be. Yes, this is the moment right now. I hope this is gonna get aired out by tomorrow. Keep on switching from one inflator to the other. As you can see, I brought this one out. I totally forgot that this one is actually made for foil balloons. So let's use this one. Why not? This inflator that I'm about to use is actually for foil balloons especially. So this one kind of fills your balloon out and sees how much air the balloon needs, and it stops when the inflator feels like the balloon is at full capacity. So let's do it. Honestly, I have no idea where to start. These latex balloons, this is why I don't buy latex from Amazon, from Chinese companies. They are very thin, smelly, they deflate. You need to be super careful how you tie them because they rip so easily. So that's why I buy quality balloons, and I am not taking any chances. So I lost one of the big hearts. It's over there now. So what I'm doing is I am gluing the tails of my balloons to the balloon with the glue dash. And now comes the very, very hard part. And this is why, you guys, you need to buy extra balloons when you're constructing something for a client or for yourself. I left some extra balloons on a side in case of something like this. So I am starting with probably a bigger balloon. I think I want to use a glue dash and start with the base. Glue it to my, what is it, fireplace. I hope this balloon will hold because it's kind of warm against the fireplace. So we'll see. I'll test it out for you guys. Tomorrow, we'll see how it's going to look. The next day, you guys, and I'm really impressed with the balloons. They stayed up throughout the night. The only heart that kind of fell was this big one. Makes sense because it's hanging not loosely, but two glue dashes are holding this balloon, and I'm not surprised that it kind of slid down. I reattached it, but the other balloons, before I added new ones, they held up. I was surprised. So hopefully they're gonna stay till this evening and they're not gonna go anywhere.